Hey folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the Enclave at the Yamava Casino with
Third Hand.
He is here next to me, and we are in front of the Lightning Cash Happy Lantern game. $100 in, $5 a spin. Let's see if we can get something good to happen. 6 of those lanterns will get happy. 3 of the dragon heads will get happy. Perhaps. And the gentleman with the facial hair, he's wild. He's always happy. Oh, would have been nice. Would have beens and could have beens. Always nice to postulate. Come on, dragon heads.
It's similar to like the Sahara Gold, and if you get them, you have to, one of two choices.
Yes. Sometimes I'm tired. I'm kind of dragon. No? No. It's terrible. It is indeed. That's dad humor, folks. I'm supposed to be bad at my humor. All right, halfway through. Nothing happening here. Oh, we got $1. Something. Come on, anything. A little token something for $5, $4. Let's see those 3 dragons. Screen full of the wild guy, firecrackers. Well, $3.50. Nothing on that one. Come on, lanterns. Oh, not enough of them. We need 6. All right, we're almost down here. 5 more tries unless something comes through. 1. 2. And 3. Oh, last one. And nothing comes of it except a free play. There you have it, folks. Nothing happened. All right, well, we gave it a try, put 100 in, and walking away with 0. Yeah, that's up to you, Third Hand. And
Yeah, I kind of do.
Uh-oh.
Because I want those
Hang on.
dragons.
Hold on, folks. Back up the truck. Third Hand wants to do the chase. So we're putting another $100 in. We're into this now for 200, and we are going to continue. Here we go. Let's see if it pays off or if it's just going to eat our money. Let's get a decent win, any decent win, because so far we've got next to nothing. Wow. The dragon's looking at you.
At me?
Yeah. Oh, he brought a friend. Go get 2 more
I'm
friends.
not even asking for like 4, just 3.
Yeah, 5 would be fantastic.
But I'm not even asking.
You're not even asking. You're just intimating that your desire. So, come on, let's get those lanterns. Uh-oh, folks. This might have been a bad call. We don't know yet, but it's not looking too promising as of yet.
So you're saying that we know yet?
Yes, there. I like to be proved wrong when it comes to gambling. Okay. So, all denominations are times. All numbers are times 10-cent denomination.
All denominations are times
all denominations are times a number. Very good. Now let's see if we can get a word. Some big zeros. Okay, decent. Let's get that blue minor. Big major for 10 grand. 1 more. And not happening. So let's go up for the tally. You got a little one. Almost break even on the chase. Richard for joining us. Okay, there on the camera. Thank you, kind sir. Very good. All right, so again, we're closer, but not quite there. We need some profit. All those wild guys gone to waste.
I'm just happy we got the lanterns, even though I'm looking for the dragon.
Yes. Well, at least it gives us some more play.
Chasing the dragon?
Chasing the dragon, yeah. A few more chances to find something. A little something on there. $12. 22.
That's good.
Had a 2 in it. 2 more. Oh.
Come on, more dragons.
You went by. Oh, they both went by. It's like they're on the bus, but it didn't stop.
Come on. I'm just saying.
Yeah, you're just throwing out random
I'm
words.
just throwing out.
You've been hanging around me too long.
Chocolate, pizza.
Pizza.
Like-
Chocolate pizza.
Just anything.
That sounds like a nightmare in the morning.
So we're technically down.
We're down $55, give or
Yeah.
take, but you got a ways to go. Come on now. You can warm up.
Come on.
Your hand is determined to see the dragons. Happy cats.
We were mentioning something about like some type of bonus, and we did get the 6 lanterns. I already forget what your exact sentence was.
I don't recall. That's more than 10 seconds ago. Come on, look at the happy moochies.
Happy Moochie.
Come on, Mooch. Give us a hand here. We're back down to halfway on the chase. Uh-oh. 2 more.
Cheese.
Yeah, exactly. Cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese. This is a bit of Limburger, apparently.
Limburger?
Limburger, yeah, that's some smelly cheese. That's what's happening right now. Come on, gang. It said I gave you a chance to have something and you threw it away.
That's at least $20, right?
25. So yes, the answer is yes.
That's at least $7, right?
No.
Oh. I
All right.
recoiled in dismay.
Indeed you have. All right, there's got to be something good in here waiting for us. That was not it. He looks like he's laughing at us and not with us. Oh, he's right there. You can see his lips. He's like, nah. All right, we need something to catch it back. Okay. Come on now. 3 more.
Yeah, I gave you the wrong 3.
Yeah, 6 more. That's the other 3. Yeah, well, they showed up late. Oh, third hand. We're getting back down to the other side
Yes,
here.
I see. Okay, that's like $7.
Maybe 12. Hey, I was close.
Wow.
I'm getting better at my guesstimations.
You think we'll get 3 dragons?
Yes. I'm going to feel like you and be positive and say yes. We're still going to get it right now. Okay, we got 1. Yeah, that would have been really cool. Oh, there's 2. Now we need 3. We had 1, 2, and 3. Well, that worked out well, didn't it? All right, folks, last couple of tries here. Enough for another 2 more. And the last one is that. Okay, folks, well, put 100 in, lost it. Chased it with another 100, lost it. So that's $200 gone, but we gave it a try. We'll try something else. As always, thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care.